Welcome back to Eyewitness News at noon on your Friday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Nicole Masentic. Beautiful sunshine reflecting right off of the downtown library. Notice we have blue skies, but some spots have a little more cloud cover. Temperatures are cool, 9 degrees, even a few flurries being reported. Winds out of the west. That's sustained at 25 miles per hour. We'll have some gusts up to 30 to even 35 miles per hour this afternoon, giving us wind chills that feel like 12 degrees below zero here in the Circle City. Already hit our high temperature today. That happened at 2 o'clock in the morning while you were snug in bed. We're now at 9 degrees in Indianapolis, 7 in Kokomo, 7 in Marion and Muncie, 16 in Columbus, 14 degrees in Bloomington. Pretty much going to stay with these temperatures steady where we are right now for the rest of the afternoon. These wind chills, they're going to remain cold too. Feels like 16 degrees below zero in Marion, 14 degrees below zero in Kokomo and Lafayette. Gets a little bit warmer south of I-70, but still cold. Feels like 2 degrees in Columbus and 3 degrees in Bloomington, with 1 degree below zero as we start to look towards Bloomington. Wind chill advisory is in effect until 7 o'clock on Saturday morning. This is something we're going to continue to watch, as those wind chills at times could drop to about 25 degrees below zero, especially as we go into tonight. Latest satellite radar at this time showing we have some clearing skies. We've had a few reports of flurries, and we'll see a mix of sun and clouds as we go later into the afternoon. That snowpack up north is not going anywhere because these temperatures really aren't budging much. We'll see winds gusting out of the west up to 35 miles per hour. That gives us that sub-zero wind chill. And tonight, well, temperatures are going to drop very quickly by 10 o'clock down to about 2 degrees. Skies clear, and that's going to allow temperatures to fall to about 5 degrees below zero. That's bitter cold, winds out of the west, 5 to 15 miles per hour. And that gives us that wind chill possibility of anywhere from 15 to even 25 degrees below zero. Other forecast lows across the area: 6 degrees below zero in Lafayette, 7 below in Peru, 6 degrees below zero in Muncie, and then you see Rushville, Noblesville, Indianapolis looks to have those sub-zero lows as well. 0 in Nashville. That bitter cold start to your Saturday morning. We will see wind chills throughout about midday when we top out at 7 degrees. The good news on Saturday, we have a breeze out of the southwest. It's going to give us some sunshine, also bumping in some warmer air. I know 16 degrees doesn't sound that warm, but we get into the 20s on Sunday, so that's the good news. But as you look on Sunday afternoon, notice we're starting to track a new system. This system right now appears to be a mixture of snow, sleet, and possibly even freezing rain. Temperature is going to be key on where everything sets up, especially as we start to go into your Monday morning. So this is something that we will continue to track. As of right now, best day to be outside in the morning is going to be on Sunday as we warm up to 27. That wintry mix moving in late in the afternoon or evening. And then as we start to go into Monday morning's commute could be tricky with some accumulating snow, possibly some light icing, a chance of snow on Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Scott?